Hello everyone, how's it going guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Fairy channel. And today guys, I'm back for you for a new video and good opportunity for you to make money from. Okay, so today I'm talking about an NFT project. I know guys, I've been doing some really hard stuff there and I didn't upload any single video in the last let's say month, but I'm sorry guys, I was in an exam period and I couldn't do anything, just studying and doing some really hot shit here. But anyway, I'm back guys again, and I know the market is really down there and all the people lost most of their money, and I personally lost about 70% of my money, but I kind of believe in crypto and I know all the things will back to its real thing. Okay, so we are talking about Big Monkeys NFTs here. We all know that the NFT projects, some of them blow up really hard. Like I know some guy bought an NFT for let's say $200 and he sold it for 18,000. So that was really good number for him, you know. He went from 2 to 20k. That's 200 to 20k. That was a really good number. And some projects even go way farther than that, any project like let's say Ape Club, that I guess the cheapest NFT there cost about $500,000, let's say. Okay, but anyway, I know I took a long time, but our daily disclaimer here for you guys is do not invest just by YouTube video or according to anyone on the social media. Just do your own research. Even my videos here are all sponsored videos, so please keep that in mind and don't invest until you do your own research. It's all on your own responsibility. So let's begin our video today. Bitcoin.pro/NFT, that's the project domain. I will leave the links down below, of course. And here's the website. I like the design so much. Okay, money is all we want. This is passion, impression, and freedom. Yep, we say the truth. The most important thing in life is big money. Yes, and I agree with that kinda, but some people completely, ignore that fact and say, oh my god, my money is nothing, it's not the goal of the life, it's just something that helps you. Yeah, that's right, but don't say that you don't want money or you're doing some things for humanity. All of us are working for money, and I mean all of us, like 99%. So if we just accepted ourselves as humans and we want this to get a better life, to get the freedom that we all have dreamed of, life will be so much better right now. But some people just keep ignoring this fact and say that yes, it cannot buy happiness, and from my place, I can say that it's 100% true. But also if you're poor, you cannot buy happiness too. So what poor do you want? Okay, so anyway, Big Monkeys grab all the world's money. We have here it's 8 cards of the power of the nature. Let's say we have here earth and air, water, fire and space, gravity, nature and magic. Okay, so that's the 8 cards that we have here of the NFT cards. And tell me guys in the comment, which card from this would you buy if you have the money or if you want to invest? I personally would rather, gravity, because it's the strongest power in this planet or even in this whole universe. It's the gravity, because it can get anything close to it or away from it. So that's my opinion here. Okay, we have here, if you love monkey as Big Monkeys too, you are in the right place, because this is the right place for you, for all the monkey lovers here. And I will show you that this is the link of OpenSea. They have a floor price here of 0.13 of the WP. Okay, the story is, when the world has become too crowded with rules, regulations and standards, when work is no longer inspiring. Yes, I agree with this totally. When life is like Groundhog Day without limitless money in your hands, they have appeared. The Big Monkeys, of course, have created their own metaverse where you can make money for fun. These guys know how to make trillions of money just by having fun and doing what they love. Truly, I'm not saying some things of the social media talking that we all watch in our daily scrolling on social media. I'm just saying the real words here. 8 powers of the big monkeys work together in harmony and conquering and all of the world's money. And you can grab a good piece of the cake too, you know. You can click on each of them to see some information about it. I'm gonna read just the earth, or let's say the gravity, because I would pick it, and you will see the informations. You will see more informations in the link, of course, that I will leave down below in the description. Now imagine that there's someone who can mix all the previous big monkeys and send them wherever you want, who can turn the world upside down and bring it back if they want. Needless to say, you can't mess with it. Of course, the gravity, that's why I choose that. Okay, include the messages. Okay, they make a decision by a large council of big wise men, where strict laws of morality and consonance region, they gain profits together. Either the entire metaverse chip is not piss off these guys, because a mad sage means a new black hole in the best case. Yes, the black holes and the white holes as well, you can search it on Google. Okay, NASA said that it's all because of their gravity. Their gravity is really strong. The black one, you know, it's really powerful and it can bring anything close to it. The white one is the current opposite. It can push anything down away. Okay, as everyone loves and values their money, no one takes risks and just pays up the volume as you understand it. It's limited as a space itself, but gravity monkeys pretend to be modest and always say that you don't need much for happiness. Okay, our first collection is too small, only 888 NFT. It will be impossible to buy Big Monkeys NFT after the mint of the 30 of June. The mint is really close. We have about 12 days, or by the time you're watching this video, it might be about 10 days, let's say. The only way to get an NFT is to get the WL right now. Okay, here you can see that they have some advantages that they have and some powerful points that this project has. Okay, 2 big monkeys with different powers. You can get or hold 2 different monkeys, okay, different powers. Holders of 2 NFTs will have a free access to education at our crypto university. They will make a university too in their metaverse. Big University. At the Big University, students will receive a digital NFT diplomas and such specialists as NFT investor, NFT collection creator, NFT artist. So it's like real life, you know, coin creator, game creator, and etc. You can have also 3 big monkeys of different powers. If you minted 3, you will get a unique right to withdraw money from Bitcoin staking anytime that you need, and whitelist for a balance and infinity generations. Okay, what if you hold it 4 monkeys of different powers or more than that? You have unique right to withdraw your money from Bitcoin staking anytime, as well as the 3 big monkeys holders, and you will get a whitelist for balance and infinity generations. Okay, you will get also you'll become big monkey metaverse residents, with which means that they start to get extra money from the common big bank. Okay, you have also the right to use the land of big opportunities and Somnium, Web3 and NFT, and gain access to unlimited money. Okay, you can also get paid money forever just by holding the NFTs. Okay, and some informations we have it here about the coins handle. We have 41 days left. Okay, that's really interesting. We have also the roadmap here, and I like the design of it really much because it's just simple, and anyone, even if they're beginner in the crypto, can understand it. Okay, I'm sorry for these pop-up messages. And the creation of the big community. Okay, that's the plan since day 1, creation of Bitcoin. After that, development of the Big Monkeys NFT concept, and all of this coming over until the infinity land of big opportunities. They will make birth 3D collection generations infinity 5,555 NFTs. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, and I forgot to tell you guys that the floor price is 0.15. Okay, but guys with WL can buy the NFTs for only 0.13, so they get 0.02 Ethereum discount on their NFTs. Also we have here the white paper, you can open it, I have it right here. Okay, it explains the whole idea of the project, just simply in really simple idea. It's about 29 pages. Okay, you understand every single detail, you will understand it from it. Okay, we have here some NFT collections, cool ones. I guess we have here the concept. Oh my god, look at the design, guys. They have been worked really hard for this. And here we have the concepts, or let's say the protocol. We have here the money generation. Okay, we have also the balance here of the infinity generation. We have the house of cards, the big bank, the house of the residents, which means that they hold it more than 4 or 5 NFT cards. They will get the opportunity for this. Here's the land of the big opportunities. I like it really much, and you can see here that they have a social media accounts. Let's open Twitter, for example, and check it for you guys. They have about 2,600 followers. You can follow them up. They are posting daily updates. As you can see here, they post about yesterday. They are posting a lot of daily updates and partnerships, giveaways, and all of this, so you can go and follow them. Let's reach them to 5k, or let's say 10k. Type there that you are from Crypto Pharaoh channel, and we have here the OpenSea link. You can check here that the price is 0.15, but if you bought WL, you will get it for only 0.13. That's really good opportunity for you guys. And we have here the full roadmap and everything I explained in the video. You can see it here. About also, even you will find the disclaimer, but that's really good project. I like the idea of it so much, and I hope you guys like the video as well. If you do, just type in the comments. You can support us, and that's the only support you can do for us. It's really big, and I appreciate your support for our channel, guys. See you guys next video, I guess, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for Big Monkeys for sponsoring this video, and peace out.